So the first thing you'll need today is I'm just going to use some wood dominoes today. And you're going to need about 90 of them for a 5x5. I think it's 90. So you're going to lay them out in your form that you want. And right now, I'm just doing it the way I normally do it. Normally, you can do it like this, and like make it so that they're exactly that far apart. But I don't usually do that. I just look at it. Now this will be for a 5x5. I got these dominoes off Amazon. I don't know where I got them. And there. So that's a 5x5. The base. Then you're gonna go here, 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 and here. See how I made a row? I'm gonna do it again. Right here, 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 and here. You want to make sure they're all on top of each other. And you're just gonna make a row. So that's the first 2 layers of the 5x5 pyramid. The third layer is really, really easy. The third layer, you're going to see how there's a crack in between that domino, that black domino, right here. You're going to put a domino right on that crack. So you're filling in all of the areas that the dominoes on the base level have not taken up. Like that. See? That's the third layer. From here on out should be really easy. So have you seen, I filled in all of those little cracks where these dominoes on the base level have not filled in. But now you see right here, we're going to take the second level as the base level. Right here, we're going to use that second level as the base level. And see how there's a crack in between that yellow one and that white one, and in between that black one and that yellow one. Now we're going to fill in those cracks by just doing the same thing we did on the second layer. Putting a domino there, and there. And see how we're making that shape that kind of goes up in a pyramid type shape? And then we're just going to do the same thing for all the next levels. Now I'm going to take this level as the base level and fill in all of those cracks right there, and all the way through. Let's speed this up a little so that you can, see The end. So at the end, it should kind of look like this. This kind of shape. So, looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And then, you take any color domino. It all falls in. Thanks. Thumbs up. I'll see.